In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Claude AI. Whether you're aiming for a font style that matches your device, a default look, or something more readable, such as a dyslexic-friendly option, I'll guide you through the process step by step for a more personalized interface experience. To get started, you'll want to open Claude AI and sign into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure to create an account and log in. Once you're in, take a look at the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon, or perhaps your initials displayed there, quietly waiting for your attention. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This action will take you to a drop-down menu, which is essentially your gateway to customizing your settings. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. Clicking on this will bring you to a variety of features you can tweak to better suit your needs and preferences. Next, direct your attention to the Appearance section. This is the area we're interested in because it's where all the visual customization magic happens. Open it up and you'll find quite a few options designed to adjust how your Claude AI interface looks. Within the appearance settings, you'll come across the option marked Chat Font. This is where you can select different font styles that Claude AI offers, providing you with the flexibility to opt for whatever suits your visual taste or reading comfort the best. Now it's time to choose from one of the available font options. If you prefer a traditional no-fuss look, you might stick with the default font, which ensures consistency across the platform. Alternatively, there's the Match System option, which synchronizes with your device's system font, offering a seamless integration that feels familiar and comfortable right away. For those looking for an option that's optimized for readability, especially if you or someone using your device has dyslexia, consider the dyslexic-friendly font. This option has been specifically designed with readability in mind, making it easier to follow along with whatever's on your screen, reducing potential strain or confusion. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can personalize the font settings in Claude AI to better suit your visual style and preferences. Whether you're trying to maintain a consistent look across different platforms or need a font that's more readable, these options are straightforward to apply. Explore them, see what works best for you, and enjoy a more tailored experience with Claude.